How to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also looking for ways you are trying to hide your location, that is your current location from your friends on Snapchat, here's what you need to do. So first thing, simply open up your Snapchat application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now simply select your profile icon from the top left corner, and once you're inside here, just scroll all the way down until you see the option that is maps. So you can simply tap on the sharing location option over here. Once you tap on that, as you can see, there is the option to enable ghost mode. So when this is enabled, your friends can't see your location. So you can just tap on this enable option over here and you will actually get an option to enable it for 3 hours or a particular time, or you can even turn it on for as long as you want. That is the option until turned off. So you can simply tap on that. So until and unless you turn this off from over here, you will always be in ghost mode. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.